This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video, and let's enjoy the video together. I challenged myself to style a 4th of July tablescape for less than $20. Spoiler alert, I did it, and I'll give you the total at the end. So in order to stay within such a tight budget, of course I'm using a lot of items that I already own, starting with this blue and white stripe tablecloth. However, I did purchase this 4-piece placemat set from a local antique shop, and it was only $9 for the 4. Most of us have a vase somewhere in our home, as well as some blue food coloring, some water, a vase, food coloring, and voila, the start of our centerpiece. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, well, I want you to join the family as well. It's fun here and it's free. I share all things lifestyle and home decor related. So if that interests you, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. And make sure to leave a comment so I can welcome you to the family. I immediately knew when I saw these foam wands, I wanted to use them as my napkin rings. Yes, thanks Dollar Tree for coming through. Thanks for your thumbs up and your kind comments, because you know thumbs up and kind comments help my channel to continue to grow. Have a blessed day, and remember to stay priceless. I'll see you on my next video.